श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पदानः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्। श्रीमहागणाधिपतये नमः। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। सदानिम्बवृक्षस्य मूलाधिवासाय सुधाश्राविणन्नीतमप्यप्रियन्तम् तरुं कल्पवृक्षादिकं साधयन्तम् नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथम्। श्री साईनाथाय नमः। विश्वं विष्णोर्नगं वीर्याणि प्रबोधय्यः पार्थिवानि विममेरजागुं धियोऽस्कभायदुत्तरं तदस्तं विचक्रमाणश्रेधोरुगायो विष्णोरनाटमजि विष्णो पृष्ठमजि विष्णोष्णित्रे स्व विष्णोस्योरजि विष्णो नवमजि वैष्णवमजि विष्णवे त्वा नमस्तेऽस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। नवो नवो भवतिजायमानोऽन्नाङ्गे गुरुशसामेत्यग्रे भागं देवेभ्यो विदधात्यादिन्द्रचन्द्रमास्तिरति दीर्घमायुः शतमानं भवति शताय पुरुषस्येन्द्रियाय सेवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति। स्वस्ति। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्त सन्मङ्गलानि सन्तु। तथास्तु।
Great. My wife Shobha and myself want to congratulate and convey our best wishes on the occasion of this Navaratri to all members of the Sai Parivar, as well as the board members present and the past, friends and colleagues. Many happy and memorable returns of Navaratri to come. The third anniversary is a milestone for the temple. It's an institution that is created by hard work, devotion, service, and we are all proud of it. Special thanks to all of you for making this happen. This institution will be good not just for us, but many generations to come. Our children, our grandchildren, their children will all benefit from this. The institution is a place for propagating and promoting our culture, our values, our way of life. So we are all proud of it, and many thanks go to all of you for making this happen. With regard to my family, I still remember when I first visited your place. The temple was in a strip mall. My wife was doing puja, and then the board members came. And they took me to this new place. And looking at their faces, they were all stressed. They had to finish this temple in time. They have to get the necessary permits. They have to have money, fundraising, and all those things that go behind the scene. And from that day till today, I am so honored to be involved with you guys. And we cherish the memories of last 3 years. Every member of my family know about this. We all pray. You may not know. We have these YouTube things that are going on. So thank you so very much to make this happen to our family. So once again, on behalf of all Bhashyam family members, we want to wish you very happy Navaratri. Thank you very much.
श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. Jai Sai Ram. Thank you and welcome to New England Shirdi Sai Parivar, the Sai Temple in Groton. As you see, this huge temple with Baba's blessing was made possible by working with a lot of volunteers. Together, we all came together, and this has been a vision since 2006, where we wanted to form a place for Baba, a permanent place for Baba, and it has been made possible by all the volunteers coming together. With that said, this has been a real journey where we kept adding a lot of volunteers together as part of this organization. Now we are at this place with Baba's blessing. He has his own place. 3 years ago, we did the inauguration of this beautiful temple, 40,000 square feet of area, 20,000 square feet in the second floor and 20,000 in the first floor. It was quite a journey. Even that I still remember during that inauguration, we were exactly on the day of inauguration, we were waiting outside on the steps for a cow to come in, make it a beautiful experience for everybody, purify this place, and then we start the inauguration. Our whole parivar came together in various different activities. We had decoration, we had logistics team, we had Bandara team. We have a lot of team, and with the help of our priests, we were able to do this inauguration where I think we got about 6,000, 7,000 people here in person during that inauguration day. It was a huge accomplishment for any SSP. Ever since then, with Baba's blessing, this place has continued on. We are going to celebrate the 3rd year anniversary, starting October 6th, all the way until October 15th, 16th time frame. We request everybody to go to our website, nessp.org, check out all the program details, and please do come and participate. We have various programs planned. We have obviously Bandara during some of the days. We have Jagrata planned. We have some cultural events planned on the first floor. We are going to do Venkateshwar Kalyanam. We are doing Chandi Homam on Thursday, the 14th of October. So these are some various other programs. If you want to be part of this, absolutely come and join us. All the events are free and available for everybody. But if you want to sponsor also, we have the opportunity for you to do that. Various links are available on our website, nessp.org. Please do come, be part of this, and let's celebrate this together as a huge event, 3rd year anniversary celebrations, along with Dasera. We're going to do Palki ceremony as well. So come forward and let's celebrate this as a New England community. Thank you and Jai Sai Ram. Shri Sacchidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai.
Jai Sai Ram. Welcome to the 3rd anniversary celebrations in the first week of October, first and second weeks of October. Along with that, we are also going to have Navaratri celebrations. So we will be having Kalash Sthapana and Kalash Abhishekam for Sai Baba and also the Shiva and Vishnu Parivar families. We will also have Chandi Homam outside on October 14th, and then we will also have Venkateshwar Kalyanam on the 16th of October. So we hope you can all come and join the celebrations and take the blessings of Shirdi Sai. Thank you.
Jai Sai Ram. We are fortunate to have been associated with NESSP right from Draycote, then Chelmsford, and now Groton and forward. We consider ourselves to be given this unique opportunity by Baba, and we really feel blessed to be serving Baba and the devotees and volunteers. We thank all the volunteers for making this parivar what it is today, and we continue that this continues to grow and grow. Jai Sai Ram.
And also I want to add that there are so many people who worked really hard for this to happen, and I am very grateful for all of them. Thank you. And we'll continue to have more support and Baba's blessings. Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Sai Ram. It was a lifetime experience for me. It's wonderful to see that or participate in the temple inauguration. First time I participated, and to see the different stage of deities, how they get inaugurated. So from Jaladivasa to Adivasa, it's a different stage, and it's wonderful. It's wonderful experience. I never forget this experience. Thank you.
Go.
Jai Sai Ram. This is a great opportunity as we close to the third inauguration year here, and it's an invitation to all the Parivar of NESSP to come back together and recreate the same energy that we did 3 years back. It's time, come on down and let's celebrate it all together. Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Sai Ram. It was a wonderful experience. 3 years back, we moved here, we did the inauguration, and still we feel like we just moved yesterday. Here, and all the memories still are in front of our eyes. Gave us a big family here, so many deities, so many rituals.
Jai Sai Ram. It's such a memorable event, thinking about October 14, 2018, with the inauguration of the NESSP temple in Groton. I pray to Baba that he blesses all of us with good health, happiness and peace over here and throughout the world. Sai Ram.